My name's Christopher Snow. I'm a marketer with Freight Farms, and this is a farm. The mission of Freight Farms has always been to empower anyone to grow food anywhere. It's a miniaturized, commercial-scale farm built inside an intermodal freight container, protected from the elements, protected from the climate, and it does truly allow you to grow food literally anywhere.
The Leafy Green machine was the first containerized farm to hit the market. And that's our flagship unit, the hydroponic, atmospherically controlled, tech-connected farm. It uses an ebb and flow system in the seedling area for seedling propagation and initiation, and then a vertical drip system in our main mature growth area, which is able to maximize the space and produce a little over 1,000 baby heads of lettuce a week, or 500 full heads of lettuce a week.
So we've designed the whole thing to be as painless as possible for the farmer himself or herself. Contrast that with being in the soil, down on your knees in raised beds. We've tried to make the human element a lot more easy to interface with.
So we use SOLIDWORKS for a few different ways, one of which on a daily basis is to quickly understand the space. I mean, we're quite literally designing in a box, so it's very important for us to understand the things that we're putting in there and how they interact with the physical user, the person who's going to be operating this machine, as well as the plants. So whether that is using mates to quickly identify interference points, just blocking out a head of lettuce to understand how big it is at week 6 of its growth cycle and see how the space changes throughout that. With SOLIDWORKS, it is a game changer in the way we design because, well, I mean, the sheet metal feature is quite truly my best friend in its ability to help me understand the constraints that the fabricators have when they're building a part. And when I have that understanding, I'm able to bring that part to conclusion just so much quicker.
The reason why we orient the main growth area like this is to maximize the cubic footage of the farm, not the square footage, but we want to maximize every sort of cubic piece of real estate we can in here. And basically we just leave enough room for the farmer to walk up and down the row, and the rest is a growing area.
I think what really excites me about my role at Freight Farms is the potential of not just the product, but the impact. I want to make food accessible to the world. And that's what I would hope people would think about when they think about me or Freight Farms.